Getting rid of odors in your carpet and area rugs can be extremely difficult, especially if you have little furry friends running about leaving accidents. But today, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to get smelly odors out of your carpet and area rugs. First, you're going to want to get yourself some baking soda. I like using Arm & Hammer Extra Strength. Now, generously pour the baking soda onto your area rug and onto your carpet. With this stuff, I always say the more the merrier. And put an emphasis under areas where furniture is, because oftentimes that carpet's neglected and smelly. Now, once your floor is covered in that baking soda, let it sit for about an hour. This, of course, allows the baking soda to set into that carpet and really attack those odors. And after you've waited an hour, get out that vacuum cleaner and vacuum your floor normally like you would on any other day. And because the baking soda absorbed all of that nasty dirt, grime, and smelly odors, you get to just easily vacuum the smell out of your floor. And again, don't forget about getting under that furniture. Now, once you've finished vacuuming, you should already be able to smell a difference in your flooring. But if not, try doing this process again, and those carpet odors won't stand a chance. If this video helped you in any way, please consider dropping a like and subscribing. This has been Jordan from Arko Flooring, and I'll see you in the next one.